everyone's the Ramen coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Vite Ramen, as promised. Until I run out of all these different varieties that they sent me, every third episode is gonna be one from this brand. And there's quite a few more to go. This is one of their new ones. This is their Massaman curry version 3.0. It's the noodle, I believe, that's version 3.0. Always striving to improve, which I think is great. I enjoy that. Better is better. Little, purple, oval, better. Now, wasn't that like a drug commercial? Anyways. Yeah, and this is in collaboration with ECK Hearts Ladder. I don't know what that is. Eckart's Ladder? Eckart's Ladder. I'll have to look that up. I'm not sure what it is. The noodle has this nice nutty scent to it, which I really enjoy. And I really, truly enjoy that. Hey! You timed out. But yeah. Welcome to the big show. And today I'm actually, as of about 15 minutes ago, I am thoroughly irritated. Why? Because the sun came out, and that makes it really hard for me to take a nice picture. I really like cloudy, darkish, but still get the natural light. Now I've got to do it with the shades pulled, even though it's still getting the natural light that way, it's just not as groovy. So, curses. But I did see something while I was dealing with that on the floor that might end up being like a time lapse. So that was kind of cool. So there may be a new outro coming your way soon. Or intro. Maybe outro. I'm kind of low on outros. But yeah, I do intros and outros and uptros and downtros. It's what I do, the way I do it, for you, because it's what you want, because I tell you that's what you want. But I looked up, I didn't look up what this Eckart's Ladder thing is, but I did look up Massaman curry, and Massaman, it sounds like, is, like, it comes from an older, ancient term. And it sounds like Massaman originally could have been just translated straight to the word Muslim. So, generally Massaman curry is with chicken, obviously not non-halal things. Yeah, and Thai. Which is interesting. There's a lot of Thai Massaman curry. But, oh. I put this thing on shuffle, and sometimes it just, like, stops. I don't know why. But, yeah. But that's interesting, because Thai, they're all Buddhist. So, I don't know. I just don't know. But we'll give this a try. I got some special accoutrement for this one, and it should be fan-freaking-tastic. That's my guess. Although I am really picky when it comes to curry, folks. If you follow my stuff, I'm quite the curry junkie, and if it's not like up to snuff, I'll definitely let you know. So many different kinds of curry. I wouldn't mind just being the curry raider, to be honest. I could eat curry all day long. Try this curry, that curry, all the curry. And, alright, the first curry I ever had, my mom made. She would make curry. Ooh, the sun's gone. Yeah, come on. She'd make curried chicken livers over rice, and it was great. It was like one of the most wonderful things ever. I'd ask for it. I was a little kid, and I was asking, can you make the liver? But, then one day, when I was older, I was like, yeah. And she's like, what do you want to have for your birthday? I'm like, was like, curry chicken livers? That sounds so good. And she's like, no. And I'm like, why? She says, the curry these days is just not of the quality that's required. She was like really, really unhappy about the quality of the curry. And I don't know exactly, or of the livers. And I'm like, so are they not as good of, I don't know. Did they reformulate the design of the animal liver of the chicken? I don't know, but there was something about it. Maybe she saw something on the news saying, don't eat curried chicken liver. They contain, I don't know, maybe she saw something. Regardless, yeah, I was crestfallen at the inability to have the wonderful curried chicken liver. Okay. Ooh, come on. You need to combine. Combine to form curry broth of wonder. So yeah, you boil the noodle for 3 minutes in 2.5 cups of water. And then you add in the flavor dealie and stir. Pretty sure. If you don't, then I'm in trouble. Yeah, that's adjust time as needed. I really love this noodle. I've noticed that maybe 3.5 minutes might be a better time for these, but we'll see what happens. It's a lot of noodles. The whole thing is what, 450 calories and like more than 25 grams of protein and lots of fiber, so you can poop when you want to, I guess. Lots of vitamins. You guys ever read the book Everybody Poops? It's true. I guess people just don't poop as much as they'd like to sometimes. I know, and then there's the folks out there that are just like, oh, don't talk about that. Squeamish. Noodle. The broth definitely has the color I'm looking for in the broth. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's got a little bit of punch of heat to it. I like that. Rich and zesty. Okay. So we're going to pour this in here. Now we are going to add our thunderful stuff. It'll be fun for you. Or else. Hopefully at least it's fun for me. So we've got chicken and sweet onion. And I use this seasoning combo that I really like. It's McCormick Peruvian seasoning. And it's got and there comes the sun. As soon as I'm almost done here, the sun comes back. Freaking jerk. You can feel happy in knowing that this is probably the only show where somebody like actively disses on a celestial body. So, lemon. We'll do that. And I wasn't gonna, but I am gonna. I'm gonna put some more cilantro. I actually sauteed that chicken and put a little bit of cilantro in with that. I mean coriander. What am I? Who am I? What am I becoming? Yeah, there's our coriander. And there is our Massaman curry from the nice guys over at Vite Ramen. So let's let it take a spin. The next one we're gonna see came from 5 a.m. Ramen, a guy named Frank over in Japan. Cool dude, thanks man. And he does instantramen.jp. Go check them out. He's got super premium stuff. This is one of them. 7-Eleven Gold with Maruchan collaboration. This is it's spelled I-I-D-A, Aida, I'm guessing. Shoten, Aida's Shoten Shoyu. And yeah, you can go over to instantramen.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount, and it's worth your while if you're looking for super premium stuff. Anyways, like, subscribe, all that crap. Have a good one. Bye.